Hello, my name is Helen and a very warm welcome to my channel. A highlight of June 2024 is Bloom, the Gardening and Lifestyle Festival, which takes place in Dublin, Southern Ireland. This festival is enjoyed by thousands of people over 5 days in Phoenix Park. And whilst there are talks, food demonstrations and entertainment, it is the gardening and the show gardens in particular that I have come to see. Let me take you along to see these spectacular gardens, many winning gold, silver gilt, silver and bronze medals. Let's get started. Back to the Future, designed by John Dooley, Super Garden winner. John was the winner of the RTE Super Garden series. His garden has 3 sections, past, present and future, with the emphasis to make better use of land for food and the environment. In the past, gardens were used to produce food rather than decorative areas of today, and John has built a bridge that connects the two. The planting is mixed vegetables in a pod, flowers that are pollinator friendly, medicinal plants and shrubs. The growing area has been increased by utilising the fence area with grow boxes, ornamental hangers and arbours. Although the garden is overflowing with colourful plants and vegetables, it is a low maintenance garden. Future sustainability is high on John's list. Rainwater flows into a water butt, an eco shed for drying, and solar-powered fountain completes the garden. The family-friendly garden, designed by Maeve O'Neill. This extremely practical garden takes into consideration a family with small children and how it can adapt and change with the needs as the children grow up. Split into 3 areas, a patio with a vibrant raised bed, a solid wall feature in the lawn area for ball games and a seating area for relaxation. A playhouse, shed and sandpit can be adapted in future years as an office or storage. Citron Floating Lounge Garden, designed by Joe Eustace, a gold medal winner. The garden focuses on providing a space to relax. Stress floats away with a soothing background noise of falling water. The softness of mixed planting, trees for sculpture, and grasses bring the space together, reducing stress and enabling one to float away. The design centres around a large patio, contemporary pergola and fireplace, echoing the home-from-home comforts. I would be very grateful if you would like, subscribe and share this video so that other people can enjoy it too. Thank you very much. Love That Keeling's Feeling, designed by James Purdy, Silver Gilt Medal winner. This is a walk-through garden with a centre hub, showcasing the abundance of colour. From the hub, the view focuses on fruit fields containing apple trees, rhubarb patches, fruit bushes and strawberry plants, all containing sights and aromas to awaken the senses. Nourishing Dairy from the Ground Up, designer Tunde Perry, Silver Gilt Medal winner. Showcasing Ireland's unique landscape and 6,000-year history of farming and dairy production. A sculpture of a cow forms part of the landscape. The heart of the garden includes a meadow, multi-seed grass, Irish native trees, shrubs and hedgerows. Above and Beyond, designed by Gavin Saunders and Stephen Mackle, a bronze medal winner. This balcony garden is designed with urban dwellers in mind who enjoy gardening. Flowers and vegetables have been grown in a small space regardless of lifestyle and outside area. This ornamental space provides seating, edible plants, and with the benefit of biodiversity, can help to reduce air pollution. Materials in the garden have been sustainably sourced or repurposed. Bridget 1500 Commemorative Garden, designed by Heritage Design, bronze medal winner. Marking the 1500th anniversary of the death of St. Bridget, this garden recreates the simplicity of a 6th century garden and pays tribute to the patron saint. The life-size statue of St. Bridget is hand-woven from Irish-grown willow. The cloak is made from sheep wool, which has been dyed naturally. All the plants in the garden have been especially chosen for their edible or medicinal properties. A Space for Possibilities, designed by Louise Chica, Silver Gilt Medal winner. This innovative exhibit displays that anything is possible even in the smallest space. This hexagon design is inspired by bees. Planting the modules with seasonal plants gives flexibility throughout the year. Another benefit of the modules is that they can be easily moved around as required, giving great choice for position. Using this method, the smallest area can provide biodiversity and connecting with nature. Sun Harness Garden, designed by Hendrik Lepel, silver medal winner. The Sun Harness Garden is all about harnessing the sun to create a microclimate within any Irish garden. The magnificent glass pavilion rotates and closes to provide a seating area for indoor and outdoor use in any weather and provides a covered area for plants. The stone wall acts as a heat store for the sun-loving plants and animals. A love letter to Abilesh. Designer Patrick Weiser, a bronze medal winner. This garden showcases the natural landscape beauty of Abilesh House and Farm and reflecting the charm of the town of County Laois. The design evokes the beauty and uniqueness of the area. Many materials have been sourced from Abilesh House and Farm. For example, harvested acorns have been grown and nurtured for a decade, forming a natural and traditional garden from woodland and ornamental planting. Rewild by Nora Tombor, silver gilt medal winner. The idea of this garden is to move away from manicured lawns and let a natural space thrive. The planting is with pollinators in mind, offering them sanctuary in special structures of recycled timber. Insects and birds are also invited to share this garden, and visitors are encouraged to adopt these ideas into their own gardens or spaces. If you would like to be notified of my next video, please subscribe to my channel, which is completely free. St James's Hospital, Brave, highlighting hereditary cancer garden, designed by Linda McCowan, gold medal winner. This garden is designed to raise awareness of hereditary cancer. The water feature sculpture is a double helix. This is inspired by DNA strands that contain our genetic code. Gardens are healing spaces. They boost physical and mental health, providing a safe, calm haven and a connection to nature. In Perspective, designed by Liat and Oliver Sherman, gold medal winner. The pavilion is created by an intricate latticework of wooden slats. A walkway through the structure shows internal and external views of planting landscapes. A sunken garden surrounded by mirrored walls create an illusion of a never-ending garden. Water floods the perimeters of the walkways, reflecting the surrounding structure. Children's Health Foundation, Garden of Music and Play, designed by Declan McKenna, silver gilt medal winner. The Children's Health Foundation garden was created to showcase how joy can be brought to sick children through music and play, as well as providing solace and fresh air for all. A comfortable relaxation area is created with large floor cushions next to the planting. This provides an area to come closer to nature, colour and healing. A large chime sculpture and bubbling water cascading over the pond's rocks create music and sound. Despicable Me 4, designed by Benny Magennis, silver medal winner. This garden celebrates all things minion, yellow and very playful. The planting, garden equipment and landscape has hidden features celebrating these well-loved characters. Coming Home to Nature, designed by Nicola Haynes, gold medal winner. This garden shows how rainwater is collected and used to benefit residents and wildlife in housing areas. The sections are exposed to demonstrate how the system works as it passes through the garden. It slows down the surface water runoff and helps the earth absorb the water. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you have enjoyed these wonderful and inspiring gardens at Bloom in Dublin. See you next time. Bye.